have been watching Aliw Channel 23, a commercial TV station owned and operated by Aliw Broadcasting Corporation, authorized by the National Telecommunications Commission, with permit number BSD-0166-2023, effective from December 19, 2023, to expire on December 18, 2026. TV station Aliw Channel 23 operates with transmitter power of 5,000 watts. Our studio is located at the 20th floor, City State Center, 709, Shaw Boulevard, Barangay Orambo, Pasig City. And our transmitter is located at Nuestra Señora de la Paz Subdivision, Barangay Santa Cruz, Antipolo City. Aliw Channel 23 engineering team is headed by Chief Network Engineer Eugene C. Castro, with PRC license number PECE 808. Assistant Head for Technical Services, Shalo R. Pino, with PRC license number ECE 0062336. Aliw Channel 23 is operated and maintained by the following personnel, duly licensed by the Professional Regulations Commission and National Telecommunications Commission. Frederick Belamala, with license number 97-1, PNCR-20131. Wenner Contihino, with license number 01-1, PHF-25494. Daniel Paulo Tenco, with PRC license number ECT-8997. Aldrin Cruz, Giljon Reyes, Jimena Irene Barbon, with PRC license number ECE 0078863. John Michael Arcena, with PRC license number ECT 00294414. Ken Arvin Same, Chatelaine Josue, Paulo Lesa, Ronnie Ranay, with license number 04-1, PCAR-26041. Alan Barrios, with license number 96-1, PNCR-17904. Aliw Channel 23 is now signing off. Ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas.